Imagine giving your car keys to a valet. You expect them to park it and bring it back.
But in crypto, when you trade on a DEX, you aren't just giving keys. You are signing a contract.
You often give them unlimited allowance. This means they can take your car, sell it, and keep the money forever. You click disconnect wallet. You think you're safe. You're wrong.
Disconnecting only hides your balance. The permission slip you signed is still valid on the blockchain.
If that website gets hacked years later, they can use that old permission to drain your funds through the back door. You need an audit. Go to Revoke.cash. Look for the unlimited column. See an old app you don't use? Revoke it. Pay the gas fee. Tear up the contract. Keep your front door locked. But check the back door too. Stay safe with TradingMaster.